Buzz News Jean Massue School. Hello! Good to see you. My name is Joshua. My name sign is a J on the chest. Hi, my name is Cheyenne, and my name sign is a S on the chest. We're going back to school, and would you like to see some of the new teachers? Hi, my name is Allie, and Allie in a lexicalized way is my name sign. I am a new teacher here, and I teach the 3-year-olds at JMS. Hi, my name is Bryn. Name sign comes down from my hair, and I am new here at JMS, and I teach 3-year-olds. Hi, my name is Janelle. J coming down from my hair is my sign name, and I teach social studies history group for middle school. Hi, my name is Mimi. Name sign is M2. I teach English here, middle school English, and we do reading and writing. Oh, what is that? I guess we're done. Can't wait to work with you. All right, let's see the improvements. Curious to see how the improvements are on the new playground. Hello, my name is Romeo. So I'm here to talk to you today about our new playground. I will show you more. If you notice right over there, it's wood. It's really cool. And we also have a cool gym. Why don't you come on with me? It's pretty cool, huh? It's a fun place to play. All right, now on to the weather. Hello, my name is Rachel. Name sign Rachel on my face. It's open hand. So today, for this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, it's going to be sunny, a little bit cloudy, but temperature is going to be about high 80s. So Thursday, it's going to be sunny as well, but it's going to be about low 80s. So I hope you enjoy your week. All right, now on to the sports. Hi, I am talking about sports today. I'm in middle school. My name is Jake. We're going to be talking about college sports, college football. USU has a game in South Utah, and it starts at about 8 this evening. I am repping my Utah shirt, and that game starts at 8:30. BYU, their game, it's a home game, and that's going to be on Saturday. It starts at 1:30 in the afternoon. All right. So Monday, we don't have any school, and you know why? It's Labor Day. All right, have a good week. Thank you.